Who are the pioneers in the recycled rubber industry and how are they protecting the environment? Who is EcoFlex? EcoFlex is a company that is a pioneer in the recycling of rubber tires and is dedicated to the future of sustainable communities. EcoFlex is an industry leader in the recycling of Canadian passenger car tires and the manufacturing of high-value, end-use, recycled rubber products which are sold throughout Canada and the world. 3 decades as the industry leaders. EcoFlex has been a leader in the industry for over 30 years. EcoFlex was created to address the growing problem of scrap tire generation in North America, with an estimated 250 million scrap tires being generated annually and a stockpile of 2–3 billion. EcoFlex has a global reputation for its innovation in recycling passenger car tires. The business repurposes crumb rubber from approximately 3 million discarded tires for use in new construction and remodeling, sidewalks, access ramps, and more. EcoFlex is a company that is dedicated to providing innovative solutions to the growing problem of scrap tire generation and promoting environmentally friendly practices through their recycled rubber products. Learn more about EcoFlex and how they are protecting our environment for the future. Continue reading below.